Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll share with you how to do the split order, cancel order, reopen and refund. Thank you. Okay, when you are taking order, let's say I order the fried chicken and the burger. So after you confirm the order, then you want to split bill. Okay. So click on here, and then click split bill. Then you can split the order, either you select the burger or the fried chicken. So let's say I want to split with the burger and click split. So the burger bill shows here, and then click yes, and then you click on here, it will show all the unpaid list, and this one is the burger, and another one is the fried chicken. So if you want to reopen bill, so go to this orange button, and this will show all of the today paid list. Let's say I want to reopen bill for this one, so I click here and I click reopen. So if you select for reopen, then you need to select the reason for reopen. Maybe it's a cancel order or testing or customer runway. All this reason you can modify in the setting. So let's say I choose for the cancel order. So from here, maybe you can add more order, or you want to cancel order also can. Then click yes. How to edit the reason for the void? Go to the setting, go to the discount, reopen or agent. From here, you can edit your own reason. So each line is a new reason, so you can edit your own. And save and exit. Okay, let's say you have ordered a fried chicken, and then you have confirm order, and now you want to cancel the burger. Just click the button at here, the trash icon, and then you click select the reason and click cancel order. That's all for today. Thank you. Support system, Tai Yong Seng.